The way we listen to our music has changed. We now purchase our music online or subscribe to services like Pandora or Spotify. We listen to music with our computers or mobile devices and link them to our speakers. The cube system consists of one large cube, the speaker, and a small cube, the remote. The small cube is used to pick a playlist. Each of the shapes correlates to a user's cloud-based playlist. You start by programming the sides of the small cube with your computer or your phone, determining which side correlates to what playlist. The little cube tells the large cube which side is facing up, which enables the large cube to choose the playlist from the cloud. The cloud then sends the music back to the large cube and plays it for you.
The best part for me is the shuffle. I love rolling the cube. I love how I can easily change my playlists. It's really cool how the color of the cube responds to the genre of music I listen to.